In this video, I'll show you how to create a disturbing opening where the video appears with shaky, scared, film style movement. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed at the beginning of the timeline so the effect hits immediately. Tap on the clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation. Next, switch to the In tab. Since this section controls how the video appears at the start, scroll through the animations until you find Scared Film, then tap to apply it. Once applied, the video appears with unstable motion and film-like distortion, creating an uneasy and suspenseful intro. Use the duration slider to control how intense the scared effect feels. Shorter duration makes the motion more sudden and aggressive. Longer duration slows it down, making the reveal feel more unsettling. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing until it fits the horror tone you want. And that's it. You've successfully added a scared film reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.